Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's video, I am going to share the ideas of baby shoes. Today we are diving into one of the cutest and most heartwarming crochet project you can make. Crochet baby shoes design ideas. These tiny triggers are not just practical, but they are also a wonderful way to show love through handmade craft. Whether you are creating them for your own little ones as a thoughtful gift or even to sell at craft fairs, crochet baby shoes are always a big hit. Let's start with the classic baby booties. These are a timeless favorite, soft, warm, and cozy. Booties keep little toes snug during chilly days. The beauty of crochet booties is that you can keep that simple for everyday use or decorate them with cute details like ribbon, buttons, or even tiny bows for a more stylish look. Use pastel color like baby blues, soft pink, or creamy white, make them look extra sweet, but bold shades can also create a unique statement. Next up, we have the elegant Mary Jane style baby shoes. These design never goes out of fashion. They usually feature a strap across the top with a button or a little loop closure. Mary Janes are perfect for special occasions like birthdays, christening, or family gathering. To add more charm, you can attach crochet flowers, pearls, or tiny appliques. Imagine a pair of Mary Jane shoes decorated with a small red rose, absolutely adorable. For something trendy and fun, consider making crochet sneaker style shoes. Those mimic the look of popular sneaker but in soft yarn form. You can play with color to recreate sporty design like red and white for a classic look or even black and gold for a stylish twist. Parents love these beautiful because they give babies a new fashionable touch while still being comfy and handmade. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. In today's video, I am going to share the ideas